Here is my house. This is my and this is my for family. Okay. Baklava is very delicious because of this. Okay, I'm waiting to baklava. It will be very delicious. Yep. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Faruk Acar. Today we will do baklava with my mom. Actually, Turkish people cook baklava for just eat. Yeah, you know, baklava is just for special day. But today, my mom cook baklava for you, but more for me. Because I did come new. You know, I am in the village right now after earthquake, and my mom cook baklava for me. Yeah, it's great, it's really good. But for you, don't worry, I will show you how cooking baklava. Yeah. Okay, let's go to baklava. Şimdi bunun içinde ne var anne?
Yumurta var.
Başka?
Un var, yağ var. Yoğurt var.
Tamam. Şimdi ne yapacaksın? Karıştıracağım mı onları?
He, karıştıracaksın.
Tamam.
Baklava olacak.
Here is my house, you know, village house, typical Turkish village house. Bed and I don't know, and television and pictures. Yeah. Here is normal Turkish house. Yeah. Okay, I'm waiting to baklava. It will be very delicious. Yep. Bu videoyu izleyen herkes baklava yapabilir mi Gali?
Yapar.
Senin gibi baklava yapamazlar yalnız.
Yapamazlar mı öyle?
Yok. Seninki kadar tatlı olmaz. Okay, this is ready and we will break malnut. Yeah, this. And we will put this. Okay, go. Yeah, like this.
Sen kır, ben atlayayım.
Tamam. This job is very complication. No, this is very hard. You know, you have to very busy. You have to hard. Yeah, you have to choose. It's really hard because baklava is very delicious because of this. Yeah. Okay, malnus is finished. Look, and
Ceviz.
yep. Look, malnus and almonds. Look, it's really good mix. Okay, now we will use the smashing and I will cut all malnus and almonds. Okay, I will put later. I will work it.
Küçük çekerken. Gel, gerçekten.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Niye çalışmıyor?
Ekede bir şey mi oldu?
İyi mi?
İncesin.
Daha da mı iyi? İyi ya.
Hadi bakalım.
Look, my mom want like this. Yeah. Okay, this is ready. And second part.
Şeker katacağız şimdi.
Tamam. Okay, this is job finished and my mom put sugar. Okay guys, we finished walnuts and almonds and this. Now my mom opened this. I don't know, my English not enough this job.
My English not enough this job.
I will show you, just watching, okay? Go. Hello everyone. Now my mom cook baklava for me. Yeah, and I am taking vlog. This vlog will be really good. Look. Follow my social media. Follow me. Yeter mi?
Hatta sık dibindeymiş.
I was put oil. Yep. Şimdi onu bunun üzerine mi koyacağım? Ondan sonra araya ceviz koyacağım.
Ondan sonra buraya koy bir tepsi.
Ceviz mi koyacağım? Dur ben koyayım. Nasıl koyacağız?
Öyle için. Kek.
Daha çok mu?
Buraya koy.
İlk baklavayı ne zaman yaptın ya? Kaç yaşındaki?
20 sene oluyor.
20 yaşında falan mı?
25 yaşında ettim canım. Diyeceksin değil de ya. Babaannen şey diyor. Gelinin diyor sarıylasını yiyeceğiz diyor. Kendi kahveye gitti. Hamur kardık. Ya hamuru nişastayı katmışız içine. Bilmezcele. Nişastayı katınca da dünyalar açılmıyor. Görüyoruz açılmıyor. Muradiye yazıyordu. Ay onu açılmıyor. Ey Allah'ım ne olacak böyle bu? Ebede sarılıyacağız gelin elinden diyorlar. Hünerlisine de aldık geldik. Hünerlisi de olmadı. Bunu dökelim. Bir daha edelim. Onun içine katmışız şey ya.
Bir daha aynısını.
Yine kardık yine aynı. Açıyoruz büzülüyor. Öyle ettik.
Sonra üçüncü bir daha mı kardınız?
Vallahi üçünü karmadık. Ondan 2 tepsi ettik.
İyi.
Yine iyi olmuş dedi. Babaannen beğendi.
İyi. Okay guys, look, this is a part, this is 5, okay, 1, 2, 3 is 5, this is one part, and my mom opened like this is, there's 4 flat, this is 5 flat, and this is last flat, I don't know, I'm not sure. Now we will close this. Later we will put walnut. Later we close it. Yeah. Like this. 14 like this. But my mom opened like this. This is 5 flat and 14 this. I hope I was say true. I'm not sure. Okay. And this is last. Now I will cut this. Cat is very hard, very complication, I don't know. Okay, this is very hard job and I will show you. This is like a art, yeah, you will see. My mom put oil. Oh. Okay guys, I will cut baklava and this is really hard job. Okay. this is the first tray and this is second tray. This is for me, this is for my family. Yeah. Okay, this is really hard. I finished the one part. I have more 3 part. Yeah. I finished it, cat. Now I will put oven. I will cook later. Yeah, later I will show you. Okay. What do you think? Look at this. Yeah, not bad. Okay, go. 20. Okay, okay. Bye bye. Look, this is butter. Look, this is just water, and we will put inside sugar. Hi, now everything's ready. Yeah, look, this is sherbet. We are saying sherbet. I don't know English this words. I think it's sweet water. Yeah, because inside is just water and sugar. And I will put on the baklava. Let's watch. Yeah, we will see. This is my and this is my for family. Okay. Okay, I'm starting. I did put sweet water. Now I have to wait maybe 1 hour. Normally we have to wait maybe 1 day. Yeah, I think. But this will be fast because we have to try, and I'm taking vlog. I think maybe 2 hours later we can eat. But other baklava, second baklava, wait tomorrow. Yeah, okay. Baklava is ready and we will eat. It will be good. Yeah, believe me. Now we wait 3 hours, later we will eat right now. Yep, first me, later my mom and my brother. Okay, go.
İkinci olmuş, bu kalın olmuş, şey olmuş.
Look at this.
Yok hiç.
It's very sweet, very good. Really perfect.
Güzel yapmış mısın?
Bunun da çok güzel olmuş baya.
Sen de bakalım. He's my brother.
Yeah. Mükemmel.
Her zamankinden iyi mi yoksa?
Yiyebilsem güzel olacak ama güzel. Gayet güzel. Güzel. Now we will eat not too much because it's strong, you know. We will eat maybe small part, maybe tomorrow after dinner, after lunch, I don't know. Okay guys, video is finished here. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. If you want the other Turkish food, write the comments. Maybe we will cook Turkish food with my mom. Yeah, and I will show you. Okay guys, don't forget comments. Goodbye, take care, I love you. Goodbye.
Gelin yiyelim, tatlı.
SUP. SUP.